Good afternoon and welcome to NYFP. U.S. markets have stabilized following yesterday's sell-off, and joining me this afternoon to discuss the markets is Louis Sulsenti of Pragma. Hi, thanks for joining me today.
Pleasure.
Well, in today's trading session, we've been seeing volatile trading, but compared to yesterday's sell-off, we're seeing a little bit of stabilization. Now, going forward into next week, given that we have so many fundamentals issues as well as the Eurozone, what will you be watching?
Well, you really don't know at this time. The market did take a big hit yesterday. Is it overdone? We don't know. It looks like it's stabilizing now. It went a little lower. Now we're just leveling it off. You just got to wait. You got to wait for the market just to, have a nice up day with some big volume to see if it's going to, turn the trend. But you just don't know with all this kind of, market news coming out. Is it overdone? I believe it is. But, you have to make the markets tell us that.
And I do have to ask you this question. Are there technical levels you're watching?
I think I said this once before. When the market goes, down as much as it did yesterday and up, I don't look at technical levels. I don't look at average, 200-day lines, 50-day lines. I just wait. I take those all out of the equation and just wait for the market to tell me that it will change in trend.
And we've been seeing interesting price action over in the commodity sector as well. Now, gold does continue its downtrend. What do you see for gold going forward?
Well, I was never interested in gold. It's up 100 points in a week. It's down 100 points in a week. I mean, does this tell us now that gold is coming in and inflation worries are over? I mean, I don't know. I was really never a follower of gold in the markets. Again, you just have to watch these markets, these indexes, and hopefully they stabilize somewhere. And in a day or two, or in a week or two, have some big volume, hopefully on the upside, to say, you know what, maybe this is a time to start getting in the market.
Okay, Louis, last but not least, before we wrap it up, moving on to a sector that you might be keeping your eye on, over to the tech sector. This week, following earnings out from some of the big tech companies as well as shifts in management, we did see interesting price action for certain companies. But overall, what companies are you watching, or what do you feel about the tech sector?
Well, technology, I think, is the head of innovation. And, overall, I think the tech sector is a promising going forward. There's a lot of things coming out. The smartphone is the biggest thing, now, and the tablets are big, the chips in them are big. So I think on an overall analogy, I think anything basically in the tech sector is a great opportunity.
Okay, Louis, well, thank you so much for weighing on all these topics, and have a great weekend.
You too. Take care.